It's that time of year when the apples are in season. There's nothing better than making fresh, homemade applesauce. So, to get started first, we're going to peel the apples and core them, making sure that we get rid of all those hard cores in the center. Definitely get out all those hard cores. So we're going to dice the apples, and then I like to cut the center out just like this. When you have good fresh apples, it will really just fall out as you're cutting it. So we're going to continue slicing the apples, getting that core out, and cubing them. Now that all of our apples have been cut and they are placed into a large pot, we are ready to start making the applesauce. So placing them on the stove with the eye on medium high, we're going to add roughly 1 cup of water to the apples. This is going just to give them a little bit of moisture in there and to begin the boiling process. And you're really going to let the apples cook for quite a while until they start getting soft and mushy. And what you're going to notice is they slowly start cooking down. So you'll start out with a large pot full, and they will slowly and gradually start to decrease in size in that volume and become softer. You also want to make sure that you are routinely stirring these because they will stick relatively quickly. And you also want to make sure that all the apples are getting cooked evenly and that you're not just solely cooking the ones on the bottom. So as you can see here, the texture has definitely changed a lot. We have not done nothing other than continually stirred these on and off every couple of minutes and allowed that cooking process to occur. It takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how hard you cook the apples, but essentially you want that nice, soft, chunky texture. Combine that with a fresh pound of biscuit bread, and you have one delicious snack or meal. Beautiful white applesauce from those in-season Georgia apples. I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial over homemade applesauce. See you next time.